Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Walmart Connect and manage ROAS reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Walmart Connect, begin by logging into your Walmart Connect account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Within Account Settings, look for the Withdrawal Options tab. Click on the Withdrawal Options tab to view available choices. Select the appropriate withdrawal method that suits your needs. Carefully read through any terms and conditions associated with the withdrawal method. If satisfied, proceed by clicking on the Initiate Withdrawal button. You may be prompted to confirm your withdrawal request. Confirm your selection to complete the withdrawal process. Next, to manage your return on ad spend, or ROAS, reporting, return to the main dashboard. Locate the Reporting section on the dashboard. Click on Reporting to access various analytical tools. Select ROAS Reporting from the list of reporting options. In this section, you will find an overview of your current ROAS metrics. Filter the data by date range, campaign type, or other variables for more specific insights. Analyze the information presented to understand the performance of your campaigns. You may also download the ROAS report for offline review. Regularly check your ROAS reporting to make data-driven decisions. Review your ad spend in relation to revenue generated to optimize future campaigns. Ensure you make adjustments as necessary based on your findings. By following these steps, you can effectively withdraw from Walmart Connect and manage your ROAS reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.